We have suffered too long.
Look at Chaz.
You know those red sons of bitches over there, Syndex?
Your car.
The Red Rockers.
They have done absolutely nothing wrong, but they're red.
One for now. One for now.
And we
If
hate
we get one up a lot, then we'll take more.
You know why I hate the color red, Syndex?
Why?
No reason. Well, I guess I'll see y'all off.
The 15th, I think?
3,000 bullets.
I don't know how to get out of this chair.
Courtesy of the 15th.
Oh.
1.7 by 99 ball. This shit'll take out like helicopters and shit.
I also think that's your mom.
Does any squad volunteer to take lead in convoy if you want me to in the sprint box? I will take lead in the sprint box. Convoy speed will be about 60. The thing.
Alright, I gotta go get to my bang bus. I'll see y'all later.
Honestly, war.
It doesn't
Made a high command.
Oh god, lag.
Is now.
Are we about to die? Is this how it ends?
Alright,
First,
thank
my
you, thank you.
blades get circumcised off my
Well,
helicopter,
very
and
good.
now
So,
this. Y'all are good? My blades! What?
No, I'm assuming so. Okay.
I gotta go back to my bang bus helicopter. I'll see y'all later. No, my helicopter already got it. It's not my turn. It's not my turn. Stay away from me. Ow! Ow! It's so loud. Knightsmate, it's bad.
Alright, Bulldogs, move out. If you want, I want infantry to disembark once I stop at that line. If there's not any good cover.
Are there any civilians?
Good if I don't target. Big cheese, you got them all.
There may be some civilians in the mix. Be wary.
Oh shit, they just spawned in.
I can't really see them. All right, yeah.
This is Bang Bus 1. I'm out of Hydras. Returning for a rearm.
While returning for rearm, can you bring out some more sprint?
Hey, firm.
A strange voice similar to command.
Good copy.
Yeah, evil anti-imperial guy. I've been told. Very similar voice. High con 3.
Good copy.
Also, helicopter, don't get killed.
Roger.
Oh my god.
Richard, one of the fucking Humvees has a GL automatic
I see it.
GL.
I'm taking that one.
Alright, get him in the Bang Bus! Let's go! In the Bang Bus!
Bravo to all. Bravo's gonna be taking one of the normal gun cars and the rocket car.
Alright, is
Drop
that
them
good
off.
for the ATV or anybody else?
Yeah, you're good to head back.
Now subtract
I
your
don't know, man.
achievements.
Hey, there is a tank east
Warhammer,
of
if
the
able- are you able
base
to, like,
right now.
track or-
Heading straight in,
Can I get
east.
a precision strike on top of what I'm...
Yes, we can precision rank and strike that.
Hey, do we have friendlies
Got it,
inside the
got it. Hit that big
compound?
symbol. Affirmative, we do have friendlies. Not the main compound, but some fuel cannons.
Okay, I see you all. So there's a building far northeast of the town. There's like an entire enemy squad there. Oh, he's
Tell the
dead.
tow vehicle to get out of their vehicle so I can actually fix it.
Oh! Bang Bus 1, I'm hit! Oh, God. I'm taking auto cannon fire.
Hold fire. Pull off, wave off. I was actually next to the building you were talking about. Yeah, no, hold.
Hey, yeah, be careful, Blackfish. They got auto cannons looking over that place.
Good job.
Biggie?
Yeah, they're behind the wall.
Yeah, I'm still up.
It's going
Is
in.
that
it's going through
Scorpion
the
an
gate.
enemy?
Yeah, Scorpion is an enemy.
Okay, I don't currently have a line of sight of. Okay, yeah, it was stuck.
Tank
Nice,
is,
mate.
the car's
Debugged me.
down. We got killed by the fucking tank.
I did not kill it. It is still up. It is still up.
It's down.
Waving off.
Down, down.
Ow! I'm hit. Fuck, they shot me directly.
No, Biggie!
I'm still alive. It hurts though.
To RTB some.
Okay, I need one of you to heal me because I'm bleeding out. Oh, I'm dead. Oh.
Your helicopter survived. I'm gonna give you that one.
Okay, I don't have a radio. How did it survive? What the fuck? Not sure they're working.
Okay, I need a favor from you.
I can't load it. I can't load him. It just I can't reach it. Hold on.
Shot down. We'll need you to airlift it out of it.
Roger, I'll wave off then for now.
High command, how are we gonna airlift it? Do we need a Blackfish vehicle, or are we just like
How big is it?
No, the Blackhawks will be more than capable.
Good copy. Oh, is it just taking the device? BBC, start moving southwest.
Everyone, device is on the move. Enemy air, north.
ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。
Trying to blow up the device? Enemy helicopter.
Oh, I hit it with Hydras. It's gone, baby.
Enemy heli confirmed down.
What a fucking shot, baby.
BBC touchdown at the old refinery we're at.
Moving into the south, heavy armor.
Knocked out. Holy shit, I was unconscious.
Biggie, turn around facing the east and fly up.
Let me know when I'm good.
Slowly rise, Biggie. Slowly rise.
Not enough power? Thought so. Detach.
We can provide a Chinook. All right, picture time. Everyone gather in front of the Blackfish.
Works is the shit one.
I don't know if he'll be in the picture.
All right. I guess go ham.
Holy shit, he was flying a plane! He was flying a plane! Fight on top of the plane! Fight on top of the plane! Die, motherfucker! Ah! Ah! I'm still on top!